Hey YouTube, it's me. Probably don't know me because I'm new, but my name Cameron, and I just sold. And today we about to get up in a real good pack opening. These packs flames. So, alright, it's my first pack opening, first video ever, so wish me luck. We're gonna go with the Frozen Fantasy pack first. Let's see what we get. First round. Ooh, we got a gold. So we got one gold. Easy scoop. Come on now. I'm going to go with the quarterback because quarterbacks tend to sell. And I'm going to go for highest overall. Okay, we got another quarterback. Ooh. Dora Jackson, halfback. 78 overall. Solid player. 89 speed, 91 agility, solid player. We also pulled an elite, Tavon Young. Whew. These packs, I'm telling you. I'm going for both the highs. Alright, here's where we can pull straight heat.
You hit a pack opener?
Huh?
You hit a pack opener?
Yeah. Ooh!
Straight
heat.
Ah, tough.
But I might have to go with this man. He's a GOAT. 92 play recognition. The block shedding, iffy. 80 speed, 85 straight. I might have to go with him. He's a solid pick, I think. I already got LeGarrette. He's pretty nice. Had to go with him. Yes, sir. That's a new pickup. New pickups. Simple. Alright. Need to go back to these packs real quick. We got 3 more. And then we got the legend. That's the banger one. A gold already. 76 overall. Oh my. Another gold. So we got Josh Huff and Darian Thompson. I'm going to just go with the quarterback like I always do. So it's the gold round. We got a kicker. They tend to sell for $5K. I'm going with the kicker and the halfback. Cole Beasley. Ed Reed. Dwight Clark.
Hey, Reed pretty nice. Oh, he pretty nice.
But I already got somebody in that. Wide receiver. Is he burning anyone on my lineup?
Michael Irvin.
He's not burning, but he's got the stuff. Nah. Let me check out the free safety. Let me check out Ed Reed. Oh my gosh. This guy is a good pickup. He has 94 play recognition. He will probably sell more in the auction house than the... I might have to go with him. It was decent. That one was alright. It was alright. You know, it's not the best. Another one. Come on. We need to pull elite first round. Nope. Silvers. So we're going to go with the CBs, highest overalls, and the free safety. So it's the gold round. That round was alright. Ooh, Joe Flacco. He'll probably sell for a good amount. I'm going to go with Patrick John. Come on. Yes, sir. Oh, my goodness. Mel Blount. Ooh. Does he burn? I have 3 CBs. I'm going to have to pick him up. He's a good pickup. If I don't need him, I can sell him. Probably sells for a bunch of coins. Here we go. Next pack.
Check all of them. Make the video.
Silver. Gold. We got a gold. First round. We got Chris Conley. Ooh, 67 wide receiver. Pick up the 2 ice overalls. Gold round. Elite. 83 Todd Gurley. Ooh.
You gotta scoop him. What's his speed?
86, I think. Yeah, 86 speed. He's fast, but
nice agility too.
I might have to pick him up, but I'm definitely gonna scoop him. We got Rosita. We got TJ Clemens. I'm gonna go with TJ Clemens. Come on. What the?
Neil Blunt. You gotta get something crazy.
Steve Atwater. I don't think he sells like that. I kind of need players that sell. Patrick Peterson. I would not mind him on my wide receivers.
Dang,
Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's an easy scoop. Easy. Last pack. Come on. We need a big one. Need a big one.
I'm gonna jog for you.
Ew, no.
What? Put him in a coffin.
Oh my good. John Randall. How much does he even sell for? Let me check it out. Gotta check it out. Please tell me he sells for at least something. Come on. Please tell me he sells for something. He's not selling like that. 8K, he's not selling. Terrible. Well, that was just an L. Come on, at least get me up to 82. I'm at 82 overall. Okay. Oh my goodness, my team is actually getting kind of nice. It's getting there. I got Ed Reed, Mel Blount. I got some good CBs going. Something alright. Whoo! Ooh, that's what I like to see. But alright. That was the pack opening. And this will be it for this whole video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you.